Miss Fatima the Camel saw an opportunity for a quick shop to get a holiday box. So we have a holiday box at the beginning of January. This is a GoldieBoxed special holiday box. First up from Sass is a holiday spice body scrub. And I took a sniff and it smells heavenly. I'm excited to give this one a try. It does smell good. And all products are handmade. And it has coconut oil, sugar, grapeseed oil, cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, mint, cloves, and allspice. Ooh, tempting to want to eat it, but I know I don't eat the products. This next one started out as an ornament, and we had to open it at the bottom to get to the product, which is a lip balm from Upcircle. And it says it is upcycled hemp seed oil and shea butter. So that should be good for moisturizing. And we took a little sniff. It has a fruity scent, a light fruity scent, not overpowering. So we are excited for this one. This next one is from World Finds. It is an adjustable simple gold bracelet. I want to wear it. Well, we'll see how well it fits you. And I'm looking to see. It says fair trade, sustainable, handmade in India. This beauty is ethically handcrafted using traditional techniques fused with modern design elements. So it's gold in color. I'm sure it's not real gold, yet it's nice, it's cute. Next up is a fragrance oil to go in an oil diffuser, and we have one of those. This is from Palmoire, Palmoire. And yes, for diffuser use only, it is the scent Cedar Spice. Oh, that should be nice in this after holiday season. This next item is from Funky Monkey, and it is a beanie. It's nice, it's soft, and the inside has a second layer, so when you put it on, your ears can get, if you pull it down enough, your ears can get a nice second layer of material. And we've always heard that if you keep your head warm, that helps keep the heat in on the rest of your body. And although Southern California does not get as nippy as some other places, for us, when we get to about 60, 65 degrees, I'm freezing. So this will definitely come in handy. In this half of the box, Anne decided that her two favorites were the lip balm and the body scrub. How about you? Did you see something that you would want? Let me know. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. And now, moving right along with this video. This next item is a tea towel, and it has a recipe on it for gingerbread cookies. Ooh, now I'm getting hungry. I thought this was cute and a neat idea. You got your recipe right there in front of you. And I can always put a tea towel to a use. Next is something from Danica Jubilee. It is a little sack. It has cookie cutters in it to go with those recipes for the gingerbread cookies. And I thought this was a tree. Apparently it's supposed to be a gnome. This next one is in the shape of a present. And then there is one more that is in the shape of a mushroom. Apparently mushrooms are the in thing. Next we have some conversation starters. And I think they have a holiday theme, yet this could be fun year round. Oh, I want to try one. I want to try one. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, the original reindeer are retiring, and you have to name the successors, the 9 successors. What 9 names would you give Santa's new reindeer? Oh, I don't know. That is a good question. Cal. Sandy Dunes. Princess. What? You don't like my names? Which person in the family do you think is the best shopper? You have to ask? Hello, people. You're looking at her. I am the best shopper. Right? Uh-huh. Okay, moving on with this box. These are fun questions. So that was Created with Love conversation starters. And we had a conversation. That we did. This is a soy wax with a cotton wick winter nutmeg candle, and it's made from the Yorkshire Candle Company, and it's supposed to have a 40-hour burn time. And I'm looking to see if there was a size. There probably was, and I'm just missing it. But winter nutmeg, there it is. Oh, that's going to be a fun one in the winter time. Yes, it is. And it kind of goes in theme with those gingerbread cookies. Gingerbread and nutmeg. So very true. And then there's a set of makeup erasers. The Holiday Gem set. There are 7 of them, I think. Yes, 7-day set of makeup erasers. And aren't these nice colors? Oh, yes, they are. And I've used these before. I sometimes use these to clean brushes, which is, I know, not what they're really meant for, but sometimes while tossing on a little makeup, I need to wipe off a brush. These work very nicely. I have some are a little bit past their prime, so it's nice to have a full-on set of new ones. And remember, you have to put them through the washing machine before they will work. After taking a look at this half of the box, Anne decided her 2 favorites were the candle and the makeup erasers. I like those conversation cards. Although really, you have to ask who's the best shopper? Like, so what did you like in the second half of this box? Let me know. I want to know. I want to know. And a quick shout out to Jessica, the owner of GoldieBoxed. She was very helpful to me in trying to get some things set up with my account. We were doing that when Mercury was in retrograde, and sometimes technology is a pain in the... Yeah, I didn't say it. In any case, This was a $60 box and you got 10 items. I did have to pay tax, so that put us all in at $64.65. The shipping was free. I'm tickled with this box. I've never done anything with GoldieBoxed before, so I thought this was a good way to get the ball rolling for possible future boxes. Yes, this was fun. I want to go try some of those products. Thanks for watching today. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff. We've got fun things coming this year, so don't forget to subscribe and notification bell. I think I just kind of said that. Oh well, I'm repetitive. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Really, who's the best offer? I can't believe you asked that.